everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Discount Tire credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Soon after you do that, go to the address box at the top and type in Discount Tire credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on the first link that says Discount Tire Automotive Financing Synchrony. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to a new tab. Now, you'll need to log into your Synchrony account in order to get access to your Discount Tire credit card. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials in the login area. Start off by entering your username in the first text box and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link right next to it. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on Remember Username box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your username or your password, click on I forgot my username or password link respectively, and you'll be able to get hold of your password or your username that you've forgotten during logging in. After typing in all of the credentials, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Discount Tire credit card account and access it online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.